Hi there and welcome to Ask Bondi Vet, proudly brought to you by Bondi Vet Pet Insurance. My name's Pete Laser and joined by one of our wonderful Bondi Vets, Dr. Danni. Danni, thanks for joining us.
Not a problem.
This is the place that you get all the wonderful questions from our friends out there, and this one is from Ben. Ben asks, do I really need to use dog shampoo or does any shampoo work? I am presuming that Ben's talking about using the shampoo on his dog.
Yes, I think so. I guess it's something that's quite counterintuitive because you would think that dogs have really tough skin, so why couldn't we just use what we use on our skin? It's actually not the case because dogs have very different skin to us. They don't have a plug in their follicle, so that makes their skin more susceptible to irritation, and they actually have a totally different pH to their skin than we do, so that actually predisposes them to infection if we use the wrong sorts of shampoos and conditioners on their skin.
So let's talk about that. What sort of shampoos should we be using with our dogs?
So certainly anything that's been designed for a dog would be fine to use, but depending on your specific dog, it might be worth having a chat to your vet as to whether there is one that's more appropriate depending on whether they have any underlying skin issues. Certainly some dogs need sensitive skin shampoo and conditioners if they've got a bit of issue with their skin barrier. Otherwise, if they have a build-up of bacteria and yeast, then using medicated shampoos might be a better option. So that's where having a chat to the vet will help.
Being a boy, I just get as much as I can, lather it on myself and whack it on my head. Is there a certain way that you should do it with your pet?
There is a certain way to sort of avoid the risk of irritation. So I always suggest to clients to make sure they dilute down whatever shampoo it is that you are using on your dog before you apply it, just to avoid the risk of that irritation. And then obviously go ahead with your lathering and make sure you do a thorough rinse at the end, so you make sure you get all that shampoo and everything off.
We always love seeing our pets look shiny and fluffy and new. How often, how frequently should you be shampooing and washing your dog?
Now this definitely depends on whether there's underlying skin disease, so once again have a chat to your vet. If you've got a otherwise healthy dog with no skin problems, then I wouldn't wash them any more than once a month because otherwise you can dry out the skin and cause other skin issues.
And any advice for people out there who've got those dogs who don't really like being shampooed and play with in the bath? Because my old dog, he didn't like that at all.
One tip is to actually, if you're in a bathroom, you can actually smear a little bit of peanut butter on the on the wall.
Peanut butter?
Peanut butter. Most dogs love peanut butter. And you can put that on, the tiles, and they'll just lick away whilst you are busy washing them.
There you go. Thanks so much, Danni. There's things that we never even knew here on Ask Bondi Vet. If you've got any questions, make sure you get onto our Facebook page or, of course, leave your question at bondivet.com/question. Thanks so much, Danni. We look forward to seeing you again very soon.
This episode was brought to you by Bondi Vet Pet Insurance. Get your best friend covered today at bondivet.com.
Hi, I'm Dr. Danni Dusek from Bondi Vet. If you love our show and want to see more, plus some amazing content about pets and how to care for them, hit the subscribe button. Click that little notification bell and we'll see you on our next video.